All right, so here's the voltage regulating test with the Arduino, the MOS modules, and a 10K potentiometer. So right now we're using the 13.8 volt power supply that I purchased, and it's going directly into the 12 volt voltage regulator with 2 filter capacitors specified in the datasheet. And that 12 volts is going out to the Arduino and the VN pin and the ground. And then the 5 volts and digital ground are coming out, which is signified by the 5 volt LED right here. And then the PWM will be read by using a 10K potentiometer using the 5 volt rail created by the Arduino. And this will be utilized with on the output with a filter capacitor of 47 picofarads going into the AO pin, and then spit back out as a PWM signal right here that's going on this rail. And so this PWM signal is being read by the oscilloscope over here. And so this is this PWM signal is going into the MOSFET module. And then the MOSFET module itself is also using the same 12 volts that is created by the voltage regulator. And the load is being connected into a rectifying diode as a flyback. And it's going into the electromagnet shown here. This is the electromagnet that's from Mr. Hawk's care package. And so now we'll begin the test. Let me just make sure the potentiometer is all the way down. All right, so once we turn it on, we can see that the Arduino is receiving the 12 volts and spewing out the 5 volts as shown here by the blue diode, or by the blue LED. And so I have the oscilloscope hooked up, and so we can see that as soon as we turn the potentiometer up, that the PWM is being read correctly. And so this is also shown by that green LED that I installed there. Right now at almost a full signal. Now let me set auto set on it. There we go, that's better. Maybe another auto set. Right now it's reading a peak to peak of almost 5 volts. It's reading around 4.32. And then max, it's, of course it doesn't read it, but 4.32. And so let me turn it all the way down in order to do the electromagnet demonstration. And so as we can see, there's absolutely no magnetic field. Let me turn up the potentiometer all the way. And here you have it. And I can even turn the potentiometer down. And there we have electromagnetic control using the MOS modules.